Hi. Good morning. Hi. Hi, my alarm clock is awake. Good morning, my baby alarm clock. Hello. Hi. Cute ano ako alarm clock. Oh, cute ano ako alarm clock. Oh. Ow, don't pull my toto. Okay. Shh. Mia! Good morning, baby Mia! Mia Stepanov. The baby girl! Hi, baby girl! Baby doll! My baby doll! Baby princess doll! Hi! Good morning, everyone! Magandang araw, magandang umaga. Walking kami, dalawa ni Dimitri, kasama namin si Marshall. walking namin si Marshall. Dito lang to sa sa taas sa amin. Dito sa may barangay namin, Barangay Baslay. Mayong buntag. Mas magandang mag-walking sa side na to. Walang masyadong dumadaan. Sira pa yung daanan nila dito. Oh. Lahat ng aso dito takot kay Marshall. Wow, tingnan nyo, ang ganda. It's like a resort. Siguro gagawin tong resort dito, no? Ang ganda, oh. Entrance pa lang nila, ang ganda na. I think it's a farm here. It would be nice to build a resort here. Really beautiful. Yan, may mga bahay dito.
It's kind of church thing. Yeah?
Ang dami nilang tinayo dito. Ano kaya to?
Baligya ang anak ni Saran. Hamo de.
Marshall, not thirsty? He's not thirsty because it's not hot.
He wants to think it's hot.
But the water here is more fresh, Marshall. Alright, we're going home. Mama na, Parba. Baby. Ha. Oh, ito na imong tuto, putol na imong tuto man. Oh. Nahulog pa chut. Yummy. Lunch time ni Mia. Pagkain niya, potato, sayote, at boiled egg. Yummy kaayo. Oh, gutom na pala ang bata. Yummy? 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 Very yummy.
Kuya, eat na.
Papa is eating boiled egg and bread. Try it. It's with healthy barley. The best for your health.
Yeah.
Yummy? With banana, barley, some apple, and milk. It's really good.
Keep it secret.
No, I will not share the recipe, guys. It's really good. It's for me only. It's for us only. It's really good. Chamba na. Na chamba. Mm. Really good smoothie. It's really good. I think I'm gonna make this every day now. Siya. Dami. Hola la familia. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Good morning. Today is buwan ng wika. Celebration ng buwan ng wika nila Yuri sa school. And nag-pledge ako ng chicken adobo. So magluluto ako ngayon ng chicken adobo. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-prepare kasi akala ko makakancel yung buwan ng wika nila. Kasi kahapon, na-cancel yung exam nila dahil sa hindi magandang panahon, wala silang pasok. And pero kagabi nag-chat yung teacher niya na tuloy yung buwan ng wika nila ngayong araw, kaya magluluto ako ng adobo. Buti na lang, na-defrost ko yung chicken kagabi. Ayan, 1 pot adobo lang to. Madali ang adobo. Bahala na si Batman. But I'm sure masarap yan kasi minarinate ko yan sa soy sauce. Nilagyan ko rin ng kaunting oyster, pepper, garlic, onions. Baby sis is awake. Hi! Good morning, sunshine, lovely, beautiful, pretty girl. How's your sleep, baby girl? Hello. Hello, baby girl. Hi. Hi, my baby. My beautiful baby. Yeah, say hi. Mama. Mama. Hi, Kuya. Handsome Kuya. Good morning. Hello. Ay, still sleepy si Kuya. Ay, still sleepy. Kuya, you gonna wear barong Tagalog today. Yeah. You go to school today. And we'll dance paru-parong bukid na lilipad-lipad. Magaling yan si Yuri sumayaw ng paru-parong bukid. Lagi siyang nakaka-receive ng brilliant or good job sticker sa practice nila sa dance ng paru-parong bukid. Sabi ng teacher ni Yuri, alert na alert daw si Yuri pag nagpa-practice na ng sayaw sa paru-parong bukid. Tingnan natin mamaya yung performance niya. Hey, this girl is everywhere. She crawls everywhere, explore our house. She's very curious. Where's Kuya? I cannot see Kuya. No, don't put your finger there. You want to cut your finger. There is Yuri's barong. Oh, ay.
It's not parong.
Bili namin to sa Shopee. Napakaganda ng quality.
Mama!
You will see. How's the chicken adobo, kuya? Yummy? Yummy ang chicken adobo na? Ni mama? Wow, kuya likes it. Is it yummy? Kuya! Hi! Mayor or congressman? Congressman. First lady. Or president. And this is the first lady. Walk.
Maga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ang inyong wala. Awiga ay puso ni ating pagkakakilalan. Magandang umaga po sa iyo.
Panahon si Teacher Ngayon, bigyang daan natin ang lakan at lakambini mula sa ikalimang.
Ang lakambini ni Mama. Amelia. Ang lakambini. Mia. Ikaw ang lakambini.
Pero dapat maging masaya tayo sapagkat Parubag.
Nalilipad-ibad pagkapagaspas sa paraang tapis ng kalamgan. Ang sayang ko na neta pa siya, may suklay pa man din, nagwase-uhet. Haharap sa altar at mananalamin at sa kalalakan ng pagkente-kente.
Kuya, hey, hey, you dance so well. Parang bukid, pabagas, bagas, bagas. Nye. Very good kayo among dance. Very good kayo ka. Let's go. Pagod na pagod si Mr. Mayor. Magpapahinga ikaw sa bahay. Alright guys, let's go home. Natapos na yung ano ni Yuri. Tapos na ang kanilang buwan ng weekend celebration. Na-enjoy naman si Yuri. Mas na-enjoy ako kung nanood sa pagsasayaw-sayaw nila doon. Cute ng mga bata. Magluluto ako ng nilagang buto-buto ng baka guys kasi medyo maulan dito sa bukid. Masarap humigop ng mainit na sabaw. Yan. Ito lang ang gagamitin ko para madaling lumambot. Itong instant pot. Napakabilis lumambot ng mga karne pag dito niluto. May dumating ako na parcel. Baka ito yung in-order ko na earpods. Kailangan ko ng earpods pag nag-edit ako ng video. Ayan ang aking earpods na in-order. Very excited. Sa Shopee ko to na-order guys. I-unpack natin mamaya. Wow! Yung bougainvillea, nilagyan ko ito ng abono. 14 complete fertilizer. Ayan, gumanda yung mga bulaklak niya. Alright, so lagyan ko na ng sabaw dyan. Tapos sarado lang natin. Plug in. Tapos piliin natin ang pressure cook. Piliin natin dyan ang beef. Yan, may beef. Kasi beef to. Yan. Beef yung ano. Oh, ayan, 'di ba? Hindi siya maingay. Pag nagre-release na siya ng steam, ayan lang yung ang sound niya. Hindi siya maingay. Luto na after 15 minutes. After 20 minutes pala. Kasi nag-add ako ng 5 minutes para sa sayote. Ayan guys, itong cabbage panghuli ko na siya nilagay. Pinakalas ko siya nilagay. Pagkaluto na ng lahat. Tsaka po siya nilagay. Kasi sobrang init pa ng sabaw. So maluluto pa siya nito sa sabaw. Masarap din naman yung hindi overcooked na cabbage. Wow, ang pang sarap humigop ng sabaw ngayon kasi malamig sa sarap ng sabaw.
Was this Bart bullying you kids?
Baka! Kiyat kaya si Yuri Baka, no? Yuri, ayaw. Wala, bantay ka. Nasuko si Baka. Yuri's energy is overflowing. I cannot keep up with Yuri's energy. Inday! Inday badinday! Ang among inday badinday! What, police? Agay, nakita na, oy! You're so heavy! You're so heavy, girl. Boy. Are you a boy or a girl? Yun pa isa! Yun pa isang bata! Okay, come here!
Come on.
Hulog. Oh, Mrs. Come here, Mrs. My baby. Up. What up? Kaya mo yan. Go up na. What are you drawing there, Goya?
A big house.
Big house. Your house is round?
Yeah. From outside.
Yeah. Okay, show me.
This is the bridge.
Use the eraser. Where is the eraser? Baby sis, what happened to your hair? Let's brush your hair. Let's comb your hair. Wow, yummy remote. Baby sis favorite remote. Yummy ang remote. Ayaw magpasuklay. Ang bata. Woke up with messy hair.
Putting it on my tummy. What?
Show me your face.
When I turned
What
on the
happened to your
television, I
face?
was not expecting
What did you
that.
put?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Why you need sunscreen inside the house?
It's too summery.
Summery. It's too sunny.
Yeah. Oh, gee.
Don't waste our sunscreen. It's for the beach.
Don't get them.
And you put too much. That's too much. Okay. What are you eating? Is it yummy? Yummy na? Yummy ayo. That's very yummy. Teethers. Mixed berry cereal-based sticks for infants. So yummy! Yummy snacks! Hello everyone! Good morning! Magbi-beach kami ngayong araw. Actually guys, Monday today. Si Yuri hindi pumasok kasi inuubo siya. Paliguan namin siya dun sa dagat para mawala yung ubo niya. Absent muna si Yuri ngayong araw. Kasi nung Friday, nilagnat siya, tapos sinipon. Ngayon naman, wala na siyang sipon. Medyo kaunting ubo na lang, kaya paliguan namin siya ng dagat.
Look like my other suit, my blue suit.
Kuya, hi! Are you ready to swim?
Yeah.
Excited?
I
May table si Kuya dyan. Yan ang bagong floaty ni Baby Sis. Si Baby Sis, mag-floaty-floaty si Baby Sis mamaya. Mag-floating siya mamaya. Walang masyadong tao dito ngayon kasi Monday. At napakaganda pa, napakalinaw ng tubig. High tide
lower sunscreen.
for
Papa,
kids.
Papa, lower sunscreen. Go in the water. Go in the water. Go in the water.
Don't Kuya, don't be too excited.
Mama, go in the water.
She's happy.
Yeah,
She's so happy with that.
Choose this, Mama.
Wow! Cute, cute, cute! Wow! We're done swimming, guys. We're done swimming, everyone. It was fun and I enjoyed it so much. Hi guys, we're home. Kakarating lang namin sa bahay. Pahinga muna kami. Kasi na-sunburn kami kanina. Ayan si baby Mia na mula-mula ng kaunti. Medyo na-sunburn siya. Practice mo na siyang mag-crawling. Okay, you crawl. Come on. You crawl. Go, go, go. Crawling. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Rolling. Now we stop.
This is clapping. Mama. Can you say Dada? Dada.
Again.
Whoa.